How to check for new email in Mozilla Thunderbird. Open Mozilla Thunderbird. In the left pane of the window, you can see the list of your email accounts. If the inbox is hidden, click on the email account to expand it. Click on Inbox, and then you can see Inbox, Sent, and Trash, etc. Another way is to right-click on the email and click Get Messages. In the right pane, you can see your messages. There is a filter toolbar that helps in limiting the number of messages displayed in the message list. To display only unread messages, click Unread. Use this Contact option to see emails from a specific sender. To hide or show this toolbar, click the Quick Filter button. Thank you for watching.